Now that we have downloaded our data, let's get Tableau fired up and we can start this analysis. So we're going to connect to a file, and this time it's going to be an Excel file. And here we will select the file that we downloaded, click open. And as you can see here, there was only one tab, so Tableau chose it by default. If you have several tabs in your Excel file, they'll be all listed over here. And here you can scroll through, just check everything is okay, everything looks fine. We've got all our 10,000 records here, and that's pretty much it. So we've connected the file to Tableau. Now what we can do is do something interesting here while we're here. As you can see, we've got geography. So how about we visualize a map of our customers and see where they're from? So if we drag geography onto this area, we expect a map, but nothing happens. We only get a column with the different geographies. So why is that? Why is this action different to the one we undertook previously in our first tutorial about Tableau? Well, the reason is because geography here isn't recognized as an actual geography by Tableau. It's being recognized as a text field, and you can tell by the ABC label over here on the left. So we can very easily fix that. If you go to geography and you click this drop down, and here you select geographic role. And because we know from what we see in our visualization right now, we see that it's a country. So how about we select country region over here? Now we're going to just get rid of geography and do that action again. As you can see, it's changed to a globe. So it's no longer ABC, it's a globe, meaning that it's being recognized as a geography. And also there's latitude and longitude columns that have been generated for us. So if we drag geography into the middle, this time we see a map. So I'll make some space. I'll make this map a bit smaller so we can zoom in a little bit. All right. Now what we want to do is we want to get rid of these dots and change them into an actual color. So color the countries that our customers are from. And in order to do that, we have to select a measure. And I would like to know how many customers I have in each country. And because I know that in my data set every single row is a new customer, what I can do is I can use number of records. That way Tableau will visualize the number of rows that are associated with each country. So I'm going to take number of records and drag it onto color. And right away you can see that our colors have appeared. Now we can tell that most customers came from France and about the same amounts came from Germany and Spain, but we don't know exactly. So what we need to do is add a label. To add a label, we're going to go to number of records again, and we're going to drag it onto label. So now I'll zoom in a little bit. Oh, actually, it's a bit too much, so I'll keep it like that. I want to increase the size of the text. I'll just click on label, drop down here, and maybe make it a 14. Maybe that's a bit too much. Make it a 12 and make it bold. So that is how many customers we have in each country. And if you want to zoom in specifically, you can select a region here and you can do like a zoom area like that, and you select what you want to zoom into. Okay, so here we can see that most of our customers are from France, approximately half, actually more than half, because we only have 10,000 records, and Germany and Spain have the same number of customers. So that's just a basic thing to check about our data. And in the next tutorial, we will start actually performing the data mining tasks. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.